All right, everybody, it's time for Ancient Greek Architecture 101. And what better place to do it than here atop the Acropolis? So we're going to start with the very first column order, which is called the Doric. So here we are at the Parthenon of Athens. And the Doric order is the most simple. It's characterized by its very simple capital, so the top of the column, and then the shaft. So the shaft is broken up into drums. Those are sections. You can just see that it's not a monolithic piece there. It's all sections put together, and it's fluted. So that those grooves are called fluting, and it goes right down into the stylobate. The stylobate is the base, but there are no bases at the bottom of the Doric columns. So the simplest one and the most ancient one, the Doric. So the second of the three column styles is this one, which is called the Ionic. We're still up on the hill of the Acropolis. This is the building of the Erechtheion. And the Ionic column style is very recognizable because of these scroll shapes up here. They're called volutes. It's a slimmer column shaft, and it goes down into a base. So it's a little bit different from the Doric that doesn't have a base. And it's supposed to be sort of the more feminine, let's say, version or the feminine answer to the earlier Doric style, which was more masculine. So this is the Ionic. So it's the second style, column style, to be developed. It was developed in the region of Ionia, which is today the area of modern Western Turkey, which was an ancient Greek area, of course, in antiquity. And it is the second style. Here's an example of the final of the three Greek column orders, and that is the Corinthian style. These are attached to the Library of Hadrian, built in the 2nd century AD. And so what characterizes the Corinthian style? It's the capital, of course, which is very floral, very ornate. These leaves are supposed to sort of imitate the leaves of the acanthus plant. You've got the fluted shaft of the column, and the column goes down into a base that sits on top of the stylobate, the base of the temple or of the structure. So the Romans loved the Corinthian style. This is one example of it, and they created structures in the Corinthian style throughout the Roman Empire. And so to this day, that's kind of the Greek column order that comes to mind. I think that when most people think about Greek columns, they think about this style, this Corinthian style here.